In common usage, the arm extends to the hand. It can be divided into the upper arm, sometimes called aftarm, which extends from the shoulder to the elbow, the forearm, also called antebrachium, which extends from the elbow to the hand, and the hand. Anatomically, the shoulder girdle with bones and corresponding muscles is by definition a part of the arm. The Latin term brachium may refer to either the arm as a whole or to the upper arm on its own. The use of antebrachium to refer to forearm is in the sense of brachium just being the upper aft arm. Anatomy: bones. Bones of the upper limbs, together with shoulder girdles, that compose the human arm. The humerus is one of the three long bones of the arm. It joins with the scapula at the shoulder joint and with the other long bones of the arm, the ulna and radius at the elbow joint. The elbow is a complex hinge joint between the end of the humerus and the ends of the radius and ulna. Muscles: the arm is divided by a fascial layer known as lateral and medial intermuscular septa, separating the muscles into two osteofascial compartments, the anterior and the posterior compartments of the arm. The fascia merges with the periosteum, outer bone layer, of the humerus. 6. The anterior compartment contains three muscles: biceps brachii, brachioradialis and coracobrachialis muscles. They are all innervated by the musculocutaneous nerve. The posterior compartment contains only the triceps brachii muscle, supplied by the radial nerve. 7, 8, 9. Nerve supply. Main article: nerve supply of the human arm. Cutaneous innervation of the right upper extremity. The musculocutaneous nerve, from C5, C6, C7, is the main supplier of muscles of the anterior compartment. It originates from the lateral cord of the brachial plexus of nerves. It pierces the coracobrachialis muscle and gives off branches to the muscle, as well as to brachialis and biceps brachii. It terminates as the anterior cutaneous nerve of the forearm. The radial nerve, which is from the fifth cervical spinal nerve to the first thoracic spinal nerve, originates as the continuation of the posterior cord of the brachial plexus. This nerve enters the lower triangular space, an imaginary space bounded by, amongst others, the shaft of the humerus and the triceps brachii of the arm, and lies deep to the triceps brachii. Here it travels with the deep artery of the arm, which sits in the radial groove of the humerus. This fact is very important clinically, as a fracture of the shaft of the bone here can cause lesions or even transections in the nerve. Other nerves passing through give no supply to the arm. These include the median nerve, nerve origin C5T1, which is a branch of the lateral and medial cords of the brachial plexus. This nerve continues in the arm, traveling in a plane between the biceps and triceps muscles. At the cubital fossa, this nerve is deep to the pronator teres muscle and is the most medial structure in the fossa. The nerve passes into the forearm. The ulnar nerve, origin C8T1, is a continuation of the medial cord of the brachial plexus. This nerve passes in the same plane as the median nerve, between the biceps and triceps muscles. At the elbow, this nerve travels posterior to the medial epicondyle of the humerus. This means that condylar fractures can cause lesion to this nerve.